Hello and welcome. Today we'll explore the Creative Experience application within the 3DEXCITE platform. Let's jump right in. First, click on the compass icon on your 3DEXCITE dashboard. In the 3D demonstrator role, find and select the Creative Experience app. This will bring you to a new creation page. The project panel on the left side, also known as the scene tree, holds all the actors in your scene. The Actors node contains all your 3D, 2D, and logic actors, which you can rename and adjust for visibility. To insert an existing product, right-click within the 3D actor and select Insert Existing Product. The search field allows you to find content across the 3DEXCITE platform. For example, enter helicopter to locate the model. As you can observe, the 3D CAD file will appear directly in your project. To get a better view, hold Ctrl and use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom out slightly. Next, let's separate the parts of the helicopter. Click Explore on the helicopter to split its components, then select Expose on the back rotor, the helicopter body, and the top rotor one by one. This allows you to select each part individually rather than the entire assembly. In the action bar, go to the Rendering section. Click Create Material to generate a new material and add it to your scene. Open the Material palette to see the available materials. Select a material and apply it to the appropriate parts of your model. In this case, let's apply it to the helicopter body. Next, return to the project panel, right-click on the helicopter and select Add Behavior. Choose Library and search for Helicopter Controller, which is a script automatically generated by Dassault Systems. We pinned the Properties window to keep it visible and easily accessible during our work. In the helicopter controller properties, we can adjust a bunch of different parameters. For example, we can increase the acceleration to speed up the helicopter, define the angular speed to set how fast it rotates, and set the flight altitude to determine how high it flies. There are lots of other settings we can tweak too. In our case, we're going to set the top rotor part as the main rotor and the back rotor part as the tail rotor. Now let's go ahead and close any unnecessary windows. All right. It's time to dive into the experience. Click play on the compass, then hit X to fire up the engine. For a better view, hold Ctrl and adjust the zoom using the mouse scroll wheel. Take control of the helicopter using the arrow keys to navigate and explore. Have fun with your flight. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to ChampionXperience for more instructional content.